Hi everyone, today we are going to... So let's move this out of the way. Put this over here. And as you can see, I have got all my bits and pieces ready to go. And I've left one of my flowers with stems on. And I have my non-fabric scissors here. And all you have to do is right where the base is, just clip and it comes off. So then you've got flat flowers. So as you can see, I've got the matching colours for these, and this is my little tool circle ready to go. So we'll do the clip first. So these are the parts we want for the clip. So we're going to line the clip first. And with your 9mm, this is a 13 centimetres. Heat sear your end, and we're going to part line our clip. So I put a little bit of glue on there, and then from the back of the clip I start at this point here, about 1 centimetre over. Now I do use one of my little pointer clips for this bit in a minute, but you want a little bit of glue on both sides of the insides of your clip like this, and then I take this and you try and hook it through straight, then bring that down. And what I do with that point, tap it against the sides, and then I get my thumb in so that I know that it's firmly in, and then we can glue across here. Now you do have to work fast so that you don't get like a lump of glue underneath, and you want to pull it really tight, and then with your thumb just make sure it's flat and there's no like ridges or anything like that. Now I always do mine a little bit longer just in case. As you can see, there's about 1.5 centimetres short. Heat seal again, and then we want just a touch of glue here. Open your clip and flip that over, and there you go. Nice aligned clip with our 21. As you can see, I folded it in half. My heat grease is here. This is a no-sew one. So take it from here and make this sort of loop like this. So you've got this like a little fishy look. I do it so both my tails are about 3 centimetres across. And then take a little pin, just hold it in place for a second. So this is what you have. And then I'll flip that up, and you want a touch of glue here, just on the centre. Hold that with your fingers, and then where the pin is, you bring that over so that you've got a super cute little mini bow like this. You can take your pin out. And then the other thing I do is I just lift that up and put a touch of glue on that side as well, and then I do a little angle on both sides, heat seal in the blue clear part of the flame, and then I put the bow. You want to go about 1 centimetre up with your glue, so about here. And place your bow, and then we're going to start with the rose in the centre. Hold that down nice and tight, and then we're going to do a dot of glue just for this. There's one, and then just one more. And then I just take all my flowers and I just sort of gently pat them all like so. And there you go, cute little flower hair clip. And now on to our nylon. Now I do have my bow stand, so this makes it slightly easier for me. And I will say this, I use a bit of card underneath just to make it easier. It also shows you how it's actually going to lie properly when you're making. And I just put the band so that the curl's facing in, and I put a little bit of card underneath just to stop it from gluing onto the stand. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work out a placement. So I want my tool circle about here, so I'm going to thread my felt circle, and this one is 3 centimeters wide. I'll put a link in the description below for where you can get some from Amazon, pre-made packs, or you can cut them yourself depending on how you are. We've got our little tool circle, and that's already got the felt that side. So I'm just going to put some glue on the felt circle, line up our circle on the tool, and pop that down. I'm just going to wipe that glue that I just got over the circle. And there's your beginning of your headband. Now the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to put that one right in the centre. So I've got a guide for the other two. So there's that one right in the centre. And then I'm going to do one above. And one below. Just put the glue straight on the back of the flowers. Okay, and now we're going to make our little bow again. So it's exactly the same principle as before. 21 centimeters, folded in half, so we've got our crease as the guide. Make your fish shape. Measure your tails so that they're both 3 centimeters. Pin. Open it up so you can glue the crease. And then bring it up so that you're aligned with the centre. You can take your pin out at this point, and then hold your finger on there so you can lift this bit up. And put your glue on the centre. And again, straight up. You could do little spikes if you wanted to. I just like these little points. Heat seal them. And then we're going to put this. I'm also going to do is I'm going to take this felt circle. Actually, I'll put that on afterwards. So, back of the bow again. Glue there. Use your headband as the guide. I'm just going to lift the tool up a little bit. Place that just below the tool circle. Right onto the headband. And then we're going to take our last rose. And we're going to glue that right in the centre of there, so it finishes off our line on the headband. So I'm going to take this off, and then the very last thing I'm going to do, because as you can see it's a little bit messy behind here, all I'm going to do is that second felt circle, make sure it finishes where the cross of the bow is. And all you want to do is put the glue on the felt circle. Be careful so you don't glue your fingers. And I just tap that in, and it just gives it a more finished look, and it'll be softer against the baby's head as well. So there is your finished headband. Let me just get that little glue stringy there. And as you can see, I've got 2 sets of the rainbow flowers, the like brighter and softer versions. And there you go. Super cute little baby headband sets with the little matching clips. Thanks for watching. Bye.